All right, Robin and I are going to sum this up in 7 minutes. Here's why now is the time to get started with My Daily Choice and our team using our system to build an income from the comfort of your home or on the fly, on the go, using nothing more than a laptop or a phone. Here's Robin to kick it off.
Number 1, My Daily Choice gives us the most effective and advanced marketing system this industry has ever seen. And it's given to every one of our affiliates without additional cost. The Power Line lets you leverage your upline's marketing to get you in a momentum, placing people on your team, while the built-in emails speed up growth with automation. You also get your own websites with lead capture pages and a contact manager without needing to set up anything yourself. And you're given cutting-edge promotional tools like the MDC Genius app that are incredibly easy to use while you're on the go. With this system, you'll have everything you need to build your income, needing nothing more than your phone or a laptop.
Number 2, this company's well on its way to becoming a multi-billion-dollar giant. Now, this matters to you because you get to ride the coattails of the momentum. We've already done $270 million, so it's not a small company, but we're just getting started. Now, the company's crushing the CBD market. We're number 1 in the world in the US and Europe, but that's just the beginning. Now, that's a big deal because the CBD market is one of the most competitive, fastest growing markets in the world. So that really proves what our CEO and the team he's put together is capable of. But here's what's most impressive about what's going on. The CBD market's just one niche. We're excelling in many different product niches, including digital products that have nothing to do with CBD, and that's important because it means we're not going to saturate any particular market. We're on our way to becoming a giant among giants. Our CEO has hired 3 key people in key departments that took previous companies from the $50 to $80 million per year range to over $1 and $1.5 billion per year. We're on our way to becoming a multi-billion-dollar company, and you get to leverage all of that by getting in front of it.
Number 3, you have us and our marketing automated systems, where we can do the advertising for you to drive high-quality leads into your own MDC system. That takes them to the same marketing presentations that you've been seeing, where your prospects can schedule a session to speak directly with us on a Zoom, where we can enroll your prospects for you.
Number 4, so we're smarter than just doing automated systems, where we're doing it all for you. There's limitations to that. It's exciting to have something just automated and we're signing people up for you and you're getting to an income fast. But if we stopped there, we would limit the massive duplicatable growth that you can get from this model that makes the big incomes for a lot of people. So we also plug people in, like the people we're signing up for you, we're plugging them into the connector model. The connector model allows us to quickly plug people into a free process, just using the MDC tools to get us in touch with their most influential people. And this is when things can take off really fast. So listen again, we're not just using automation, that's part of it. We're also using the connection model. And this is key to helping a lot of people duplicate making a lot of money in this model. So between our automated marketing and our ability to serve your team, to connect with them and identify their most influential people, we're able to help you launch and sustain the growth of a large organization to make not just a little money, but a lot of money.
Number 5, My Daily Choice continues to innovate new high-quality products that get people excited across many different niches. Whether it's the CBD line or the shampoo, essential oils, the travel or Forex or crypto products, we have something that will excite any market, and the company keeps on innovating.
And number 6, you don't have to go out there and peddle products. With a system like this, with a company that innovates products like this, you're representing an incredible franchise concept. Now, don't be confused. It's not a franchise. It doesn't cost anything like what a franchise does. But think of it in terms of mindset. You're not selling the products just like if you were owning a franchise, you're not selling the Subway sandwiches. It's the same thing here. So much is put together that you're not out there selling and explaining or doing any of those things. You get to plug into a system that allows you to bring products to market through a system. Much like franchises do. You're not behind the counter selling the colas and sell in the subways. In my 30 years as an entrepreneur, having developed many 7 and some 8-figure years in my businesses, crushing many niche markets in online marketing, I have never seen a system so well put together and so simple for someone to step into to accomplish extraordinary income goals. This is by far the best put together system and organization I've ever seen.
And number 7, MyDailyChoice has the most lucrative compensation plan we've ever seen. Because our CEO is able to run such a lean operation with genius level efficiency, he can pass on the savings through better products and a better price. And he can pay out a lot more money in the compensation plan than other CEOs are able to afford. It's all about getting someone a check quickly and to get them to where they can support themselves or family, while at the same time rewarding leaders with big income potential who want to hit the 7-figure mark.
So here's your next step. If you want to watch a 1-hour presentation that's really thorough, that Robin and I do, that takes you through each of the points that we just covered and a little bit more so you know all the ins and outs, click the button you see below that says Comprehensive Review. That'll take you to that 1-hour presentation that covers everything in detail. If you want to meet with us to speak directly to Robin and I, go ahead and click on the button that says Meet Us. That'll allow you to schedule a session through the calendar, to ask any questions you have, and literally connect directly to us. We're available for you. For a review of the different options you have for joining our team and the costs and all the details of what we provide to you at the different levels you can join, go ahead and click Join Options that you see below.
And don't forget, you can jump above others who pre-enrolled before you do if you enroll before Thursday, midnight Pacific time. This system rewards action takers. So join us today to capitalize on the most powerful team building strategy ever created. Click on one of the buttons you see below and let's get you started.